Simon, you came for the pink, so close. Talk us through that chaotic final and the crash and the run-in.
I must say my team did exactly like I wanted to. As I expected, it was effing crazy, so I lost the wheel, but yeah, we all stayed stuck to the plan and towed. So I said I wanted an early sprint. I needed to beat these guys that are faster than me. I had to come from behind. Anyone else in my wheel, and I would have won. So I'm really disappointed.
Anyone else in your wheel than Magnier?
And Milan.
And Milan.
But Magnier was there, and he was strong.
Did you see what happened in the crash?
It was just on my right side. I mean, what happens is everyone is crazy. Just as I expected, it was. I think, it's a lot of elbows being given, so it's inevitable.
Og så bare lige hurtigt på dansk. Tobias, du kom fra Lyserød så tæt på i dag. Tag os lige igennem den crazy spurt.